The Jaguar F-Type is a true blue sports car and distinctly Jaguar. It comes as a coupe or convertible, each with heaps of character. The F-Type is a contender against the Corvette and Porsche 911, as well as the 718 Boxster and Cayman. The lineup has expanded since its introduction for 2014, with an F-Type R model, available all-wheel drive, and a manual gearbox added over the past couple of years. New for 2017, Jaguar F-Type SVR. With 575 horsepower, it's the fastest Jaguar since the XJ220 supercar. 4 engine types are available, 2 V6s of a design that's been around a few years, and 2 V8s, all 4 are supercharged. All-wheel drive is standard with the V8 and optional with the V6. The standard 3.0-liter supercharged V6 makes 340 horsepower, sufficient able to accelerate from 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds and hit 161 miles per hour. Next is the F-Type S with the same engine making 380 horsepower that can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 171 miles per hour. The V6 models sound a little coarse under acceleration, with the whine of the supercharger subdued to the point where it's drowned by engine noise. The F-Type R uses a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 making 550 horsepower that accelerates from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Optional sports exhaust makes it sound throaty like a V8 Mustang. The Coupe R and convertible are 2 of the best sports cars on the road today. The new F-Type SVR makes 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, dropping the 0-60 time to 3.5 seconds and raising the top speed to 200 miles per hour. There's lots of carbon fiber trim, and a titanium exhaust system makes the engine downright raucous. Starting it on a cold morning produces a sound akin to tearing a massive telephone book in half. Its suspension and steering are tuned for performance, while carbon ceramic brakes are available. It needs a track to be pushed. The 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters is just about the best automatic we know, that isn't a twin clutch. If you must have an old-school manual gearbox, you'll have to stick to the base 340 horsepower F-Type with rear-wheel drive. It's good, but the sweet automatic is more efficient, able to shift faster and bring higher fuel mileage, achieving an EPA estimated 23 miles per gallon combined in the base V6.